Hi, my name's Cameron Floyd. I'm co-founder of Zertain. Zertain's a hyperautomation company. We automate, integrate and manage technology applications and processes for organizations that are looking to focus on their business. Our guiding principles are actions earn trust, outcomes earn partnerships. We believe that we have to earn our stripes and therefore lean in and listen and learn from our clients. And that empowers us to derive and solution and actually deliver great outcomes. We believe in challenging ourselves and others to do better. We receive complexity and we return simplicity. We believe in being kind, sharing, listening and leading in. And a big one is own it like you bought it. And we install these values with our clients and our team every day. The industries that we serve: media and entertainment, healthcare and specialist care, finance, legal and commercial and industrial. The reason why organizations are shifting from traditional development methods to low-code solutions varies quite a lot. The question should be, what do they gain from shifting to low-code? What they gain is mature platforms that have patterns and processes built into them. They could be industry related and therefore incorporate a lot of the thinking from that industry into the platform. An organization also obtains the accreditations and security levels of that low-code platform. It could be a CRM or an integration platform or a service platform. And so it elevates the company's security profile and posture. It also accelerates the adoption of functions and features to effectively speed up greater outcomes within the organization. We started Zertain to assist organizations in achieving their goals faster, in a more cost-effective way, and allowing them to focus on their business by moving away from managing what you would consider to be traditional infrastructure stack of routers, switches for firewall servers, storage and applications, and really focus on the business process side of their business. So Zertain utilizes low-code apps, and we augment that with hardcore developers to achieve outcomes a bit faster and cheaper. Number one, app connections. Systems don't talk to each other, leading to duplication of effort, heavy human intervention and manual administration, which often leads to poor reporting. There's disparate workflows and processes and workarounds, hence slow, inefficient, unsecure practices within the organizations we work with. Number two is ETL and ELT. There's a heavy amount of noise in these businesses, data flowing everywhere, bad data, duplication of data, and often the business logic's tightly coupled with legacy apps and legacy custom apps, and they're very inflexible. There's also often manual importing and exporting and failure to load of data. Data inconsistencies, a big one. Number three, we often find distributed silos of data that are not delivering timely or accurate insights. There's a lot of shadow data manipulation, and there's a lot of high risk errors, and certainly a lack of governance and controls. The fourth one is tech debt. Internal technology resources are usually stretched, managing legacy complexity, and it's slowing the competitive advantage of our clients. The other one is innovation and optimization is opportunistic and often reactionary. They're not taking advantage of modern technology to focus on the business. They're managing their legacy stack and not necessarily incorporating the business's needs and reflecting that in innovation. Number five is scarce resources. Application developers are hard to find, they're expensive, and it's usually coupled with huge backlogs of development. And that means that priority features and functions take months to turn around, even for the smallest change. These include difficulty connecting legacy apps with modern SaaS applications. They can't find skilled engineers or multi-skilled engineers, or unicorns as we call them. They find it difficult to automate on top of disjointed apps and siloed data. Legacy integration platforms, or iPaaS, and then ETL tools, robotic process automation tools, and SaaS apps take too long to realize tangible benefits. The reason is you're using 4 to 5 different software platforms and tools to perform the necessary automation tasks. Zertain's services include low-code application and data services, cloud and DevOps, and platform support. Not only do we gather requirements and lean in, map the processes, the workflows, document effectively what it would be a UML, and build the bot, automation, or app, but we build it to manage it. And therefore we have some skin in the game. We want to build a quality product so that it's quiet, efficient, and delivers a great outcome for our clients. Some of the biggest challenges that we face with our clients: how do you get from step 1 to step 5, hyperautomation? Really engaging the business to define and workshop the requirements is key. So our first step is literally sitting down and workshopping with business and tech people and identifying the epics and user stories, performing technical assessments, and documenting those artifacts. The next artifact that we want to produce is a prioritized list of requirements. So our technical BA map the functional and non-functional requirements, and then we prioritize those so that we have a North Star. We need to review those processes and agree on a workflow that works for our clients, validate those, and then we move very quickly into solution and design, validating the data model, looking at the different SaaS integrations and application platforms, and looking at the UI and UX interfaces. Behind that is testing and release, where we shoot for an outcome, and that outcome is a low-code application or application, a workbot or a form, or a management offering or managed service where we support our clients with the day-to-day needs around their ecosystem. Most businesses operate on a hybrid environment. They have cloud services, SaaS, and some on-prem applications. The challenge is connecting them, connecting their data sources. And traditional integration platforms as a service have done a pretty good job at extracting the data, ETL, loading the data, and then obviously it moves through different functions within the business to produce an outcome, a report, an action, a workbot, or something like that. So in some instances, you have a readily published API produced by the software as a service provider. In other cases, you don't. And that's where Zertain shines. We have a very strong API development team that are very experienced at creating those APIs, connecting these business apps together to drive for an outcome, whether it be an automation, report, interaction with a customer or another business unit. When it's all said and done, teams should be working on high-value tasks, should be focused on innovation and optimization of client offerings or service offerings within their service catalog. Zertain's services platform really gives you that worry-free oversight of business processes, applications, automations, and digital assets. Effectively the full stack through cloud infrastructure and platform as a service, your business processes, and then your SaaS. We run scripts, big transactions. If there are batch jobs working through the night and they fail, we're there to be able to identify the issue, remediate the issue, and escalate the issue to a third party or a resource within the organization, or just fix the problem on the spot. Zertain's able to help organizations find and arrest their data, clean and parse their data, transport it to where it needs to go and centralize it, build that reporting application and intelligence layer, and then actually derive some valuable automations across the entire business to get a business outcome and a win quickly without spending a lot of money or painting them into a corner.